Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Boost Your Level. This episode is your 5 to 8 minute English shadowing practice. Even if you're busy, yes, even if you're walking, cooking, or lying in bed, you can do this right now. No excuses. You've got 5 minutes, right? That's all you need. This is not just listening, it's speaking practice. So open your mouth and shadow with me. And make sure you watch this video until the very end. Don't pause, don't skip. Stay with me until the end. Let's begin. All right. Every day begins in the morning. When I wake up, the first thing I do is open the curtains. I open the curtains and let the light in. Now you say it. I open the curtains and let the light in. Then I take a deep breath and stretch. Now you say it. I take a deep breath and stretch. Great. Sometimes I don't want to get up. I think just 5 more minutes. I stay in bed for 5 more minutes. Now you say it. I stay in bed for 5 more minutes. I stay in bed for 5 more minutes. Great. Then I finally sit up and check my phone. I check my phone for messages. Now your turn. Say it slowly. I check my phone for messages. After that, I go to the kitchen. I drink a glass of water. Now you say it. I drink a glass of water. Good. I make a cup of coffee. I make a cup of coffee. Now you say it. I make a cup of coffee. I can't start my day without coffee. Now you say it. I can't start my day without coffee. I grab a quick breakfast. I grab a quick breakfast. Now your turn. I grab a quick breakfast. I skip breakfast when I'm late. I skip breakfast when I'm late. Now you say it. I skip breakfast when I'm late. I usually have lunch around 1 o'clock. I usually have lunch around 1 o'clock. Now you say it. I usually have lunch around 1 o'clock. Sometimes I bring food from home. Sometimes I bring food from home. Now you say it. Sometimes I bring food from home. Other days, I eat at a small cafe. Other days, I eat at a small cafe. Now it's your turn. I eat lunch with my colleagues and talk about our day. I eat lunch with my colleagues and talk about our day. Now it's your turn. I eat lunch with my colleagues and talk about our day. Sometimes I like quiet lunches. I listen to music while I eat. Now you say it. Sometimes I like quiet lunches. I listen to music while I eat. After eating, I go for a short walk to feel fresh. Now you say it. After eating, I go for a short walk to feel fresh. In the afternoon, I make another cup of coffee to stay awake. In the afternoon, I make another cup of coffee to stay awake. Now you say it. In the afternoon, I make another cup of coffee to stay awake. I focus on finishing my work. I focus on finishing my work. Now you repeat. I focus on finishing my work. When I finally get home, I just want to relax. Now you say it. When I finally get home, I just want to relax. Very good, my friend. You just practiced almost a full day in English in just 5 minutes. That's amazing progress. The more you describe your own day in English, the more natural you will sound. Thanks for joining me today. Until next time, keep speaking, keep shadowing, and keep improving. Bye for now.